Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So here I am again with a new video tutorial around the Moodle. So after a very long time, I am back to the Moodle LMS. So today we'll discuss a very interesting plugin that is the custom field on the activity, custom field of activity in Moodle. So in most of the cases, you will find you need to have additional field over any the module, like let's say you are adding the activity like the queues and you want their additional field, and currently you don't have any options without doing the core changes in the Moodle in the basic scope. But once you install this particular plugin, you will have that ability. Okay, so we'll try installing this one and see what all the feature it have. Okay, so let's get started with that. So first thing, I will download this one. So now you got the idea what this particular plugin will be doing. The name is custom fields for activity module. So the description says the plugin adds custom fields to all the activity module, and of course it have the setting in case you want to skip some of the activity. It has settings, but yeah, by default it will be adding to all of the module. The custom field API was introduced in 3.7 and adds a standard way to support this feature in many contexts. With this plugin, the site admin can create a field at site level that will be displayed on the form of all activity. Form means add form, add activity or edit activity. Form will have that option to select or deal with those newly added field. So currently there is only support manage the field and save their data in each activity module for every courses. It uses the course module ID. Okay, so this is play around the module ID. So in future we can display this field or whatever wherever we want. Okay, so it is already downloaded now. Now I'm no, it is not downloaded. So I'm again going to download this, and it was lastly updated here, you see, in the July 4. But yeah, I have tested this one and yeah, it still works fine. Sorry. So here under plugin, I am here login as an administrator and I can install this. Okay, continue. Continue. Upgrade Moodle database now. So even it is quite older, but yeah, so this is well supported in Moodle 5.1. So you don't have to worry around here the version thing. So you see it looks like almost 1.5 year old. Okay, so these are the field you will have here, and this is the new settings you'll have here. Disable module. Okay, for which you want to disable, you can select those modules here. But in case you want to visible to all this activity, then you will have to proceed with the whatever coming default. Okay, so let's say the I don't want at the assignment date and the this one, the big blue button and I want at everywhere. So other than these two, I want fields to be added on all the forms of all those activities. So now I'm going to check the plugin. So I have skipped the assignment thing here. So I'm going to add an assignment first. I have not added any field. Okay, so far, so we everything will be working like as usual. So if I come back here and come to edit this quiz and the settings, I don't see anything additional here. So to add field, so it will be normally working like we add a field here over the course. Okay, so the course custom field. So similarly, it will be working here, but you'll have to add here, not from here. You'll find here the custom fields. Okay, so activity I will have to select. Okay, so under plugin, I can go for activity, this one. So under local, so since this is a local plugin, you can directly switch to the local section, local plugin section. So it is clearly written here. It's a local one, local plugin. This. So you can directly navigate to local plugin section, and you will have here. Okay, so custom fields for this. So I have this disable for these two only. Now I can add it from custom field from here. Okay, so I'm going to add, let's say, add a new category. I will add here RAM custom fields, and under this category I want to add, let's say, additional name. Okay, so this is additional name, and the short name I am going to put here the additional name. Okay, so required if you want. So these are all the setting we'll have here under the, whenever we'll be adding the queues, the same form it appear here. Okay, so I'm going to add this, and now I'm going to add a date, last modified date, let's say. So anything you can add, we'll have the option here, last modified, and save. Now I can go back to the courses here. On this page, if I refresh here, I see, I can see here this is the additional field have been added over here. Okay, so if I save, it will be considered here as a required field. So I must have to pass the value here and save. Now I can see this. Okay, so this is added. Same way, if you enable this, let's say this and this. Again, if I edit, I should see this field. Okay, so you see here how you can manage those fields from here, administrator, and how it will be appearing on the activity. Okay, activity in the sense it is also appear on the resources, like the assignment is a kind of resource. Okay, so we don't have to worry. Now coming back to the math here. Now I want to add assignment here. Why? Because I have skipped those, so I don't want to skip that part. I want to see. Okay, so I click on the adding assignment, but I don't see here those field appears. Why? Because I have skipped that one. Now again, if I want to enable for this, I can go back again to these custom fields. Oops, the setting part. Okay, so this one, and here I can uncheck and save, and again go back to this new assignment and refresh. I can see those fields started appearing here. So this is how you can deal with this. You can play around. You will have to install this particular plugin, then you'll have to add those required field what for which you are looking for. Then you can select from the range of for which you want to disable. If you don't want to disable, let it be open for all the activity and the resources. But yeah, in case you have to disable for any of the resource or activity, you can check here like the disable module. You can check and save, and that will not be coming here over there. Okay, so this is all from this video. Hopefully this will be interesting, and maybe you might have been waiting for the feature something like this, but you are not aware because this is already a part since 2024 July 4. We already have here over the Moodle. Okay, so this is all from this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.